Welcome to my channel. Today I will make a traditional Bengali recipe called Panta Bhat or fermented rice. In this video, I will show how to make Panta Bhat with leftover refrigerated rice instead of traditional way of using overnight soaked leftover rice. This video shows two family recipes. It belongs to the day-to-day recipe. If you are new to my channel, then please do not leave before subscribing, hitting the bell icon, liking and commenting. In the olden days in Bengal, people preserved leftover rice by soaking it with water overnight. In the morning, it's called Panta Bhat. Generally, people had it in the morning as breakfast by adding salt, green chilli and a slice of onion. We can also have it the ways I am showing in this video. Nowadays, people preserve leftover rice in the refrigerator. For this reason, I am showing these recipes with refrigerated rice. However, the old technique is much simpler than modern way. I have leftover refrigerated rice 4 cups. I will make 2 recipes with it, so I will use 2 cups of rice for each recipe. To defrost the rice, we can leave the rice outside in room temperature for 5 to 7 hours. However, the core of the rice remains hard. So, we need to cook it with some water or microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes till the rice regains its softness. If the rice has some lump, then please break them with fingers. Luckily, my rice has no lump. I'm back after defrosting the rice in microwave for 3 minutes. You can see the rice is soft, just like hot steamed rice. Tip: press rice between 2 fingers. If it crushes completely without any grain, then it's done. Leave it open to cool down. Recipe 1: Panta Bhat with burnt red chilli. I have dry red chilli 2. Hold one at a time in the fire and burn them. Do the same with all the chilies. I have got defrosted rice 2 cups with salt half teaspoon in a bowl. Add chopped onion 1/3 cup, burnt chilies 2, raw mustard oil 2 to 3 teaspoon, and chopped green chili 1. Mix well. Now we can have it like this, or we can add some water, cold water ideally, to lubricate it. I have added cold water 1/4 cup. Mix well. This is my family recipe. Whenever I have cold or body ache or laziness, I eat it. It refreshes me immediately. It looks like this. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. We can serve it like this, or we can garnish with some chopped onion, burnt chilies or green chilies and chopped green chili. It serves 1 person. Recipe 2: Panta Bhat with roasted gram powder. It is popularly called kolai diye bhije bhat. I have roasted gram 2/3 cup. We get them ready-made in the market. In the absence of roasted gram at home, sattu or chhattu can be used. I will grind it into powder in the mixture and grinder. We can grind it with the skin as well. This is how roasted gram powder looks like. I have taken remaining defrosted rice 2 cups in a bowl. Add roasted gram powder 2 to 3 tablespoons. Chopped green chilli 2. Raw mustard oil 2 to 3 teaspoons. Salt half teaspoon. And chopped onion 1/3 cup. Mix well. If you want, you can also add burnt chili. We can have it like this or add water, cold water ideally, to lubricate rice. I have added cold water 1/4 cup. Mix well. This is the recipe of my in-laws. This is how it looks. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. We can serve it like this, or we can garnish with some chopped green chili, chopped onion, and a green chili or burnt red chili. It serves 1 person. Thanks for watching. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, stay safe, and enjoy life. Bye.